Welcome back, guys. In this challenge, which is the first Bootstrap challenge, we're going to be choosing the responsive design with Bootstrap Fluid containers. So it says there in the HTML5 and CSS section of FreeCodeCamp, we built a cat photo app. Yes, we did indeed. I agree with that. Now let's go back to it. This time we'll style it using the popular Bootstrap responsive CSS framework. So before we design this with a normal CSS, but now we're going to be using Bootstrap. All right. Bootstrap will figure out how wide your screen is and responds respond by resizing your HTML element. Hence the name responsive design, correct? With responsive design, there's no need to design a mobile version of your um, website. It will look good on devices with screens of any width. You can add Bootstrap to any app by adding the following code to the top of your HTML. So if if on any of your if on any of your web pages you want to add a Bootstrap and use its features in that page, you need to add this CSS first, right? Like this. Here we go. All right. No, not really like this. Ignore me about that. I was wrong. So in this case, we'll we have already added it for you to this page behind the scenes. Okay, they've already done it for us. Note that using either greater than or / greater than to close the link tag is acceptable. To get started, we should nest all of our HTML except the link tag and the style tag element, which is this one and this one, with the class container fluid. Alright, so it's telling us to enclose all the elements except link and style in a div element with a class container fluid. So this is so we can put the div element here and then put class and then equals commerce container fluid. Alright, and then we need to indent this so our code looks a bit presentable as well. So we're gonna indent this all the way down there and then put a closing div there. So now that will become that will be spreaded across the width of the given width of the screen. So I know that they haven't really explained what does container fluid actually do, but I'll explain you guys. So what it does is, say you have a web page, but you can see white space or yep, white space on either side of the actual main component of the the page. So what container fluid does is it will cover the entire screen's width, no matter if it's a small screen, big screen, or medium screen, it will cover the entire width of it. All right. So I've actually found a really good example for you guys. So I'll just go to that example, which is in W3 Schools section of Bootstrap, and try it. So if you see the difference, hang on, I'll just clear that. So first of all, I'll add a background to it. Oops, background color, and that would be black. Alright, so if I add the background color and remove the container fluid, then see the difference. It gives us this white space, which means that it won't be optimized according to our um, given screens with all length. But if we give it say container fluid, then it will. See the difference here? Perfect. I really hope you guys understood the concept of container fluid now. So that's it for this one. Let's run the test. Yay, tubular. Next one.